Hello everyone, so I'm back in Sweden. Yeah, it's the first week of June and this time I'm joined by a very interesting guest. Do you see the sign, Esme?
Yes, I spotted it first.
Very good. Let's see your strength, female strength. This is my full-time living in a camper, driving across the world, never gonna settle down friend Esme. Yeah, so Esme has taken vegetables for half a country with her.
It's quite heavy, but it's all the vegetables that it makes it totally worth it to suffer. I really like the adventure, the nature, and a new experience. It's something I've never done before.
And as you can see, we have quite a bit of altitude. Unfortunately, it's upwards, not down.
It's very important to stay healthy, no matter what you're doing.
That's very good.
You can all bring halloumi with you on your kayak trip.
This is my first trip since last season, so it's been a while and I can't tell you how much I was looking forward to be back in nature. Work is far away, email is far away. It kind of slowly loses its relevance as you're driving up here. Yeah. That's enough, that's enough. So I need to get some coals here. So, because Esme has made dough and she's gonna bake a bread in the coals. Pretty cool. So let's see if it works.
We finally have wood and soon we're gonna make the most delicious bread in the world. It's not perfect, but it's decent. I was in the Tunisian Sahara with the traditional Bedouin people and they teach me how to bake the bread in the campfire. That's how they eat bread.
Very cool when you learn it from the locals, right?
It's amazing. I must admit they're a little bit better than me, but we're gonna practice this week.
Ah, but this is not bad at all for a first time. So, tent's done.
Yes.
What do you think?
I think...
Will you be cozy there?
Very cozy. I have it up now, but if I close it, there's also a spot for a backpack or something.
Exactly. So tell me about your camper life. You live full-time in a camper van, is that correct?
That's correct. I've been living for the past 3.5 years in my camper van. She's a 34 years old Fiat Ducato. She's older than me and also wiser, that's why we stay safe. When I started looking for a camper, I wasn't rich, so this is what I could buy. And I really love old cars because they have a story and they usually are better built than the new ones. My first night was amazing. How did you sleep?
Yeah, pretty good. It took a while before I fell asleep, but I slept very well. So it's about 6:45 in the morning. We're gonna have a breakfast and then pack up our stuff. Because it's gonna be a lot of sun today, but paddling in the morning will be a bit more comfortable.
You don't feel different after all the food?
It's improving. The trend is improving. I think the food bag is by far the heaviest thing in the canoe, right?
Yes, but it's so rewarding.
This was a nice camp. If I will make a top 10 out of all the camps I had, I will put this in the top 10. This was a long portage. On the map it was supposed to be like a kilometer, but I'm sure it was more than 2. So now we're on the biggest lake of our tour, Stora Gla. It's quite warm actually, and the sun is strong. So well, Esme seems to be holding up better in the sun, but she's a sailor, so probably she's trained better. And you're coming from the Sahara Desert, that's probably a good warm-up, yeah. Because as it turned out, I needed the towel. I got hit by the sun, and it's happened to me before. And I got a bit nauseous before. It's really weird how you can lose it mentally so easily when something happens. Energy's going up. I'm back. I'm sharp.
That's good.
Very sharp. Give me a difficult question.
Can you please talk for 1 hour straight to me?
That's an easy question. No. So we have a bit of a different talking needs. We've come to realize.
Well, we knew already.
I'm a talker.
I forgot.
I'm a talker. Oh no, you are.
I am. The problem is, if I'm alone it's fine, but when I'm with people, I don't know, I like to talk.
When I'm in nature, I like to have moments of silence where I can kind of absorb everything I see around me.
When I'm alone, I will be silent for days because there's no one to talk.
Yeah, I never have days where I don't talk. So yours are more extreme. You have more extremes.
Yeah.
So what's cooking?
It's a pasta from a farm in Italy, homemade.
Ooh.
With halloumi, let's pray it's still eatable. Zucchini with paprika, onion, tomatoes, some herbs.
Sounds good.
Perfect. You can all bring halloumi with you on your kayak trips. It stays alright for a long time and it's delicious.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, you can go backwards first. Today we're gonna pedal 35 kilometers. Well, for sure we have to go somewhere there.
Morning of day 3. Where you're catching the flow of the water, hearing the trees around you. Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
10 years.
Yeah, 10 years. Where do you see yourself?
Well, I hope to sail around the world on a big catamaran.
You want to sail around the world? Okay. Yeah.
With a very nice man, maybe some children.
Oh, you want to do it with a family?
Yes!
Sail around the world in a catamaran with a family.
Yeah, then I still have a couple of years to drive around the world and then I can start sailing.
What if you discover that the guy you really like doesn't want to sail around the world with children? Do you know what you would do?
I would have this conversation before making them. And if he doesn't want to, he's probably not the right guy for me.
Okay. So we're making good distance on the second big lake of the tour. We had a break for about 2 or 3 hours, the hottest part of the day. Took a nap. And now it's perfect paddling condition. But you know, in Sweden they call it a sommarhus.
Ah!
Which sounds fun. We both need to pee, but we've decided to hold it until we reach the Portage. That's a cool rock, eh?
Yeah.
What are you making?
I'm making a curry.
Ooh.
With carrots, a half-dyed cauliflower, courgette, coconut milk, some spices and chickpeas. It's very important to stay healthy, no matter what you're doing.
Thanks for cooking.
You're welcome.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Thank you for preparing the rice.
So we're waking up early today to get going early, so we can catch a bit of distance before lunch. We have around 50k left, so need to pick up the pace a little bit. Beautiful morning though. Don't knock my quick fix.
Well, I have to agree it's better than nothing. Ready?
Already.
Woohoo!
We have quite a strong northern wind coming in today, which is making it nice and cool though. So we're closing in on the next portage, and we have a bit of a different preference, as May prefers to keep paddling straight into the wind because she likes the excitement and the stimuli, but yeah, I prefer to create the right conditions to make your life easy, of course. You do a back pedal on the left. Yeah. Nice. Nice. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of altitude. Unfortunately, it's upwards, not down. And that's the difference in altitude. We came from the lake level. So we've been walking for 3 hours straight. Oh yeah, we're tired, so beeping tired of pushing this canoe full of stuff up the hill. I thought I'll have a summer vacation. I spend it on the waters in Sweden there. But I forgot how much work it is to move around, because these lakes don't connect, and now we're walking again. Oh yeah, we're tired, oh so tired, pushing this canoe full of stuff around. Oh yes, I'm tired, so beeping tired. I wish this road would end about now. Oh, finally we're on the water again. This will be the last lake of the day, and we're gonna find a nice camp here. So it's about 10 o'clock, I guess.
I think the sun is not setting yet. It's probably 9:30,
just going down. And this portage today was a tough one.
Yes. But it also feels nice to make your legs exhausted and your arms exhausted, so you're like total exhausted. It's double healthy because you're moving a lot and you're eating healthy.
Mm-hmm.
You're reducing stress, so that's triple healthy. Not sure if you sleep more than normal.
No, but it's very deep sleep. No alcohol. 24/7 fresh air.
Mm.
That makes a huge difference.
I think that I will almost miss the most.
And I think the air is better than in Western and Southern Europe.
Oh yes. I like it too.
Wakey wakey.
You're done with the fire?
Yeah. Thank you.
We're really becoming a team.
Yeah.
We're improving every hour.
Becoming efficient.
Yeah.
So out here I always try to use up any last little bit of water.
So we even have the black stain sponge.
Yeah, one sponge for the black pants and one sponge for the regular stuff. So when you drive around in your camper van, you also always have a water challenge, no?
Yeah, right. So I have one 75-liter water tank, which can last me 2 weeks doing everything, because I have to fill up the water along the road, which takes quite a lot of effort, which makes you very aware of your resources.
Maybe that means that you need some scarcity or having to work for something in order also to value it. Let's go! Day 5. karretje sjoren. Want dan heb ik niks meer om over te morgen. So we've been walking this cart for 10 kilometers, mainly uphill. And we got 3 left. And I left my morale about 500 meters ago. It's around 5:30 and we are getting on the last major lake. It's been an absolute workout today. We both pushed it to the limit and beyond, but we made it. So I've got a question for you.
For me? That's exciting.
Imagine that you're 80 years old and that your 80-year-old self would be able to give you today an advice. What would your 80-year-old tell you?
I would probably tell myself to worry less about other people, because sometimes I can worry too much about very innocent things and they make me stressed out and it's not important enough.
I think that's a very nice answer. And I've asked this question to quite a few people. It's always very interesting. I'm sure some people will recognize it.
Let us know
and with
in the
that,
comments.
the sun has gone down officially. Shall we paddle to the end line?
Yes.
Thanks for watching and see you next time on the next adventure. It's the shower the morning after. It's so good that you feel you reinvented the shower.